Hello everyone and welcome to the den. Today I'm doing something a little different. I have just bought this O-Cedar Easywring Rinse Clean Mop. I have been using a Swiffer Wet Jet for as long as I can remember now. And the reason why I choose the Swiffer Wet Jet is because you put the cleaner down and then you wipe and then the pad collects the dirt and whatever's on the floor. Recently I have noticed, especially because it's winter time I believe, that our floors have just been, like, I'm having to use 2 and 3 pads just to get through my hardwood on the main floor. And still they're not clean. You know, I really don't have too much issue with the Wet Jet other than I just don't think it's doing as good of a job as I would like. So I thought I would review this mop. This one here actually has a separate tank. So it has fresh water or whatever you have in there. It says that it's supposed to kill 99% of the germs. Removes over 99% of bacteria with just water. Now, I don't know if that's necessarily true or not. However, I would never be able to know that for sure. I would choose to use some sort of antibacterial cleaner like Mr. Clean or whatever. Now today I am going to just use water because I don't have any of that. So it has a clean fresh tank here, and then I guess this is where we're gonna, whatever it's called, wring it out. And then as this wrings out, I guess the dirty water dumps into this pot down here. Now, I don't know how much putting together there's going to be. Hopefully not a lot, because I'm not looking forward to putting anything together. I can't imagine that a mop is difficult to put together. So let's get this opened up and see what we got to do. Right. I ordered this from Target. I think I paid $45 for it. Pretty sure, and I used my red card, so I got a little bit of whatever, 5% off. And I had them ship it, because I don't ever go to Target. I think Target's too expensive for most things, and I'm cheap. All right. Well, it doesn't look like too much putting together of anything, so that's excelente. So right off the bat, we have the telescoping pole here. I would assume that you just twist this. It's a little, yeah, it's good enough. And then put the head on it. And this one only came with 1 pad, it looks like. But you can wash this in the washing machine. Another great thing about this. And you can replace these too. And I think it's like $10 for a 3-pack. I believe, if I remember correctly. I assume we're just going to snap this baby into place. Yes, indeed. Alright, so I'm going to set this aside and figure out the bucket. Okay, cool. Here's the directions. So, it says, remove clean water tank from the bucket. Ensure water release lever is down in closed position. Remove blue fill cap and fill tank with water. Optional. Add favorite cleaning solution. Alright. Then it says, after filling, close the blue fill cap and place clean water tank back into bucket. Alright. Well, I'm going to go do that. Okay, so I filled it up with hot water, and I will say that the red stop slider thing here, water does leak through that. So it's not completely closed, but I'm going to assume that, Okay, now it says lift the red lever, this is water release lever, to open. The rinsing chamber will fill with clean water. Red lever can remain open. Okay, place mop inside rinsing chamber. Twist mop to wet rinse the mop head. Place wet mop inside the wringer. Loosely hold handle vertically to allow mop to spin. Push pedal to customize moisture level. Customize, wow. Mop floor and repeat steps 5 through 8 as needed. Well, I think it's pretty straightforward. Now, you never know these days. But let's give her a go, shall we? Overall, I think it did great. It's gonna save me money in the long run because, like I said, initial investment, 45 bucks. What am I spending on Swiffer every month? You know, in 2 months' time, this will have paid for itself. Maybe even less than that. So I'm happy with it. I think it did a good job. Will take a little bit of getting used to just because it's different than the Swiffer. Otherwise, I think it did great. I'll definitely be using this long term. So the only thing that I'm gonna get for this now is some extra mop heads and some Mr. Clean Cleaner or whatever I choose, whatever looks good at the store, if they have any. And that's it. So that's gonna be it for me today. I hope that you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. I hope that you think about subscribing and check out my other videos. If you're into any type of canning, I'm into that too. And I have much more content to come. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.